Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers, cheap, Salida, local, and long-distance movers near me. We ensure your long-distance move occurs on time without worry. When you need to move 100 miles away or even 1,000 miles away, we will help. With us, you receive all the right moving services to make relocating so much easier. Hiring us means you get access to all the standard long-distance moving services and all of the following: packing and unpacking, supplying packing materials, and transparent pricing. It's not always simple to justify the cost when hiring a California moving company. However, when you begin to recognize the advantages, the price seems well worth it. You will certainly save time with your local move if you hire a moving company. Movers can also make sure you don't have to stress over injury because you won't have to do any heavy lifting. Our team of experienced movers will definitely make sure your move is extremely efficient. 3 Movers understands how to simplify your move. Moving locally can be very fast, and our crew can deal with even a huge move in just a single morning. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Salida moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.